Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see problem based on Poisson's distribution. Let us start with problem number 1. A random variable x follows a Poisson's distribution with mean value 3.4. Find probability of x is equal to 6. In Poisson's ratio, mean can be directly written as m as 3.4. P of x is equal to r is given by e raised to minus m into m raised to r upon r factorial. In this case, the value of r will be 6. So we have e raised to minus 3.4 into 3.4 raised to 6 upon 6 factorial. On further solving, we have 0.033 into 1544.80 upon 720, which will give you 0.072. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.